let us deal with a very important and very interesting topic: Drugs and Magic Remedies Objectionable Advertisement Act. Before getting into the details of Drugs and Magic Remedies Objectionable Advertisement Act, let us first look at the advertisements. Let me ask you a question, like whether you can think of life without having viewing the advertisements. And if you really answer this question, no, it will be very difficult for the companies who are advertising their products. Advertisements, no doubt, they are essential, and it is very became the part of everyone's life. You see everywhere you find the advertisements, and the modern age is considered to be as advertisement era, and many of the companies advertise their products in order to sell their products. Now when you look at the media also, like where the products are advertised, have enormously changed. There are various media nowadays used for advertising the products of the companies, and if you look at, there are essential and as well as non-essential part of the advertisements. Many of the companies are blamed for the exaggerated advertisements which have been given by them. And if you look at especially the drug advertisement, it is always blamed uh, on the companies who advertise their drugs. If you look at an example of the drug advertisement versus other commodities advertisement, there's absolutely no problem with the normal commodities, that is fast moving consumer goods products advertisements. Because if you look at the advertisement pertaining to a FMCG product like pen, which has been purely, you have got attracted towards the advertisement of pen, and you have taken this pen out of like your interest, or you have got attracted to the advertisement. There's nothing wrong if you feel like, yes, it is not worth of what advertised, you are only losing money. But at the same time, if you look at the drug which is being bought on just looking at the advertisement, probably it may cure your indication, the disease for which it is advertised, or it may even worsen. So that is where is the thin line which exists between the advertisement of the drugs versus to that of the essential commodities. Now if you look at, the drugs should be advertised only to the doctors and other healthcare professionals like pharmacists and nurses, not to the common public. The main danger which exists in advertisement of the drugs to the common public is the self-medication. If common public are uh, exposed to the advertisement of the drugs, then they would be indulged in self-medication, and most probably the disease condition which they are undergoing may worsen. And the other very important problem in India is with respect to the magic remedies. You might have seen the advertisements which are aid with respect to the magic remedies here and there. If you look at the advertisements related to the kavachas, talismans, and mantras are usually aid here and there in the rural places of India, and many of the people get attracted towards the advertisements related to the magic remedies. Now, let us look at, in this particular act, the provisions related to the advertisements related to the drugs and as well as magic remedies. Now, the Drugs and Magic Remedies Act was passed with a view to control and prohibit certain classes of advertisements and relating to the drugs and as well as magic remedies. Especially this act has been established in the year 1954 to take care of the advertisements both related to the drugs and as well as magic remedies.